Hello guys, welcome back to my next video. Yesterday I just came back from Jeddah and I got these two gifts. This is an hair brush, and this is an doll. It's an Amy doll, means her eyes are just like real. Now I'm going to unbox this, okay? Because I want to share my happiness all with you guys. Did it even fall down? Wow, look at this. It's nice enough to comb my hairs. And over here is written Kitty's room is full of fun and play. Or here is written Kitty sweet dog is dog of the town. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Okay guys, I had opened this now. Now I'm super excited to open this now. This is a dog card. This is the doll, means the girl. These are the 4 dogs. This is a cage. And I love her hairs, her eyes, and her hairs are so long even. Okay guys, now I'm going to read the poem. It is over here. Let me read it now. Childhood like a dream. Years like flowers. Time like running water. Fleeting, please cherish your childhood. Childhood like a song. Childhood like a picture. It depends on you to draw. And guys, I also love this doll. She is also beautiful. Oh, there's a heart over here. And right here, there's a cute rabbit eating a carrot. It's a carrot. Okay. Right now I'm going to open this door. I'm so excited. Let me open it. There are tapes right here. Draw the next one. Oh, it's so hard. I'm going to open it. Oh, we'll open. We can also open it from here or from here. I thought it would open from here, so I got the both of them. But that's okay. I'm going to put it in the box. Okay, let me take it out. I think I'll grab a bit. There's also a table here. They did so many securities. 4 dogs. Good. Oh, it's so pretty. Wait a second. Tape again. Tape. Everywhere is tape. It isn't opening now. Good. Feel. Okay. Please, there will be no tape again. There's no tape again. Wow! I can feel her. She is so cute. You gonna see it? Look. Feel her hair from that side. Look, there are also further here. Sorry. There's also hairs over here. And I'm going to open it. I need to Scissor again, please. Thank you very much. Rubber. One is opened. The other one. Good. Wow! Look at this. The wheels can move. I'm going to open the cage. The pink cage. Ouch. The cage is open in 1 second. Wow! It can open. This is the cage. She's going to buy this cage. Look at this. Now how to open these? Wow! One of these open. Look at it. Woo, woo, woo. OMG. It is so hard to real. I'm seeing you. Another dog. And here's its. It scared me. They both are the same color, and this one and this one are the same color. Yay! I have opened the dogs now. Now I'm going to open this doll. Okay, her head is opened. Now it's time for her legs. One is, I think, opened. No, the one is not open. I think I'll try to take her legs out, but it's hard. Look, can she see her like this? Yeah. Whoa, it's taken out. Look at her eyes, how beautiful they are. And look at her long hair. How long are they, right, guys? And I also love her dress. And her hands can also move. Wow, that's amazing. Look like this, like this. This can also move like this, like this. And her legs can also move like this. She's just like walking her this designer like this. And these are the dogs. 1, 2, 3, and 4 dogs are here. As you can see, these 2 are the same colors and these 2 are the same colors, okay? And this is the cage. And this is the card. What you will do, like this means play. I'm going to play with it. These 2 will be sitting down. So you're here, and this how you're here, and in the cage will be these 2 dogs. By these 2 dogs. Here goes it. You go to the shop, the cart will be waiting for here. She will walk. Oh, I think this dog's are fine enough. You will pick them up. Keep them in her here and give money to the cashier, and then she will go. The story is finished. Bye bye. My doll is saying please like and subscribe my channel, means my channel, because she don't have her own channel. Bye.